Okay, this video is showing you how to use these new LeadsLeap splash pages we have. We have 3 of them here, and this is the share code from LeadsLeap, and these are the demos. You can click on these links to look at them, but all you got to do is you need a free LeadsLeap account, and then you're just going to copy this code, go into LeadsLeap, click on Page Manager, and then we're going to add a new campaign. I'm just going to do one splash page, but it works the same way. So I'm just going to say splash TCM, click add now, add a new page design to start right here, and then we're going to paste that share code, import it, and then if we click on it, you'll see it looks like this, right? So what you got to do is you got to make this button go to your Warrior Plus affiliate link. So what you want to do is hit launch editor right here, and that's going to open up this design interface. All you got to do is click on the button and then see where it says take it for a test drive. Here it says your Warrior Plus affiliate link. So you're going to go grab that affiliate link. So let me just get our affiliate link as an example. So I'm going to grab our link as admin, and that's our tracking link, which serves similar to your affiliate link. You're going to go here, and then you're just going to delete everything and put your entire affiliate link just like that. And if you want to, at the end, let me show you one more thing. You can put / and then type in splash page, and you'll be able to see your tracking and your stats if you made a sale from the splash page. Okay, all you got to do is put a / after your affiliate link and the word and the tracking text, whatever it is you want for tracking. Then you hit save, and then if we go back and test that, you'll see here this link, if we click it, goes to the affiliate link. All right, that's how you use the splash pages. All you need is a free LeadsLeap account, and you use the share code, import it just like I did, and you'll be ready to go. We give you 3 splash pages you can use with LeadsLeap.